If you have a look at the problems on this slide, they are not straightforward, they are not products, so we need to look at what exactly they are. They are division sums, they are fractions, and if they're fractions, then we talk about them as being quotients. And then because they're a quotient, simply means division, we can use the quotient rule. And if we use the same setting out as before, we'll be fine. We just have to remember that we're using the quotient rule this time and it looks a little bit different. You do not differentiate the top divided by the derivative of the bottom. You must use this special rule. So let's make u equal to x squared, and let's v equal to 2x plus 1. So u dash equals 2x and v dash equals 2. So then the derivative is equal to 2x times v, which is 2x plus 1. Now it's minus this time because that's what the rule says, minus u, which is x squared, times 2, and that's all over. Now look at the rule, it says v squared, so v is 2x plus 1, so it has to be 2x plus 1 squared. And you're not required to simplify. Simplification, remember, is only something that's useful to carry on any further, but it's fine to leave. Let's look at the second one on this slide. Let's make u equal to ex plus x, and let's v equal to sine x. So u dash, right, what's the derivative of e to the x? It's e to the x. What's the derivative of x? That's just 1. And v dash, the derivative of v is cos. Just put them into the rule. Now remember, the rule has got the division sign in it. It'll be u dash, so e to the x plus 1 times v, which is sine x, minus e to the x plus x times cos x, and all of that is divided by the bottom line squared by v squared, which is sine squared x. You may or may not need to simplify it, certainly for the exam you don't. Check out whether you need to use the quotient rule first. All of them look like they are something over something, so we can use the quotient rule. Let's have a look at the last one there. Let's have a look at y equals 2x squared plus 3 divided by natural log of x. So let's u equal to 2x squared plus 3, and v is equal to natural log of 2x. So u dash is equal to 4x, and v dash is equal to 2 over 2x, which is just 1 over x. So now dy by dx is going to be 4x times natural log 2x minus 2x squared plus 3 times v dash all over v squared like that. Then for that particular question you're asked to put in 2.5, so now you just need to put in x equals 2.5, and I don't have my calculator with me, so I don't actually know what the answer is, but it's simply a matter of putting in 2.5 instead